Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Celina The Label. But before we get into the details, I would like to know that while you're waiting for the next video, scammers are still targeting you. That's why I put together this research system that you can use right away. Link in the description down below. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review right here. So as you can see, we have it open up here on Trustpilot, and see that they're rated 3.3 out of 5 stars here on Trustpilot. And let's read some reviews here. So as you can see, 5 stars. Dreamy dress meets the down-to-earth styling. Beachy chick with clever shell detailing. 5 star, 5 star, and not all 5 stars. However, there's a lot of 1 stars also. Similar experience to others. Returns policy means there's no returning at all. Costs a fortune to return. I wish I saw the reviews before I ordered. Many have only been put up here in the last few weeks though. And 5 stars, a lot more 5 stars. And it seems to be that the reviews for this one is hit or miss. I think it depends on what kind of product you order, and I would advise you to try it out first. You should buy one if you really want to buy something from them. I advise you to only buy one thing first and to check if it's actually good or not, since because of the reviews it is actually a hit or miss. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. They're not a total scam. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.